I decided teaching wasn't for me, but I really wanted to make a difference in learners' lives. And this was an amazing way to get into that. This way I am really involved in centres.
Why should someone choose AQA? I think all choices about employment boil down to culture and values.
My career has developed since joining here. I joined as a product data manager, where I really got to understand the regulatory elements of our role, and then I've since transitioned into being a product manager.
We are here not to make money, but to benefit our teachers and students.
So when I started, obviously coming from teaching, I had no product management background. So I was put onto a course which sort of went through what product management was. So that was really good and it was really useful.
I think if you're interested in shaping the direction of GCSEs and A-levels over the next couple of years, then don't hesitate to apply.